Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today is Christmas Eve, if you will. I just really cannot believe that we're here already. Time has just flown by. I think the fact that I've been super busy has contributed to that. But anyways, everybody has, well, not everybody, there's been a few people asking about the Christmas tree that I made and how to knit the ball onto the tree, not doing it separately. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do today. But before we get to that, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that's been following me and watching me. Please share out. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I really do truly appreciate it. With that being said, let's get to it. Okay, everyone. So this tree has already been made. If you do not know how to make this tree and would like to, you can watch the video where I teach you how to do this. The part that we are going to be concentrating on today is adding the ball to this. So I've decreased all the way to 2 loops here. So what we're going to do is attach the white to this working yarn here. I want the ball to match the snow on the Christmas tree. Well, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so the other method of doing this, which shown in the other video, is to do the ball separately and then just attach it to the tree. But I've had a few people ask, well, how do you do it this way? So we're going to do that today. So we've attached that. We're going to go ahead and knit here, like so. Okay, so now we have 2 loops still. Okay, we are going to increase now. So we are going to try and find a spot where we could add another loop. So this area right here looks like a good place to add a loop. Okay, so now we have 3. And let's see if we can find another good place to add a loop. And that's 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and knit all the way around once. Like so. One more time. There we go. Okay, so we have our 4 stitches. We're going to go ahead and add in, you can add in either 1 or 2 more. This is a bigger tree that I made, so I think it'll balance out better with 2 more stitches. So what we're going to do is find a place anywhere in here, anywhere that you can grab and make a loop, and make 2 more loops. So I think I can add one right here. And then we can add one right here. Okay, and then we are simply going to keep stitching until we have a ball. Just keep going all the way around. And I am fresh out of filling, so what I'm going to use to fill my ball is the extra white yarn. And if you have any extra, yarn hanging out that you've used for other projects, I always hold on to mine because you can either decorate the Christmas tree with it, the stuffed Christmas tree, or you can use it as filler for your other projects. So we're going to go up probably maybe 6 rows. And then we'll put the filling in and then close it off. There. Let's see. Okay, need a few more rows. Keep going through all the way around. Let's see if we're liking that. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to leave enough of a tail on here so we can close up the ball. And I am just going to grab some of this and stick it inside of here. Let's get that tail in there though. It feels like it's pretty good actually. Stick that in there. Okay, so we are going to close this off now. And you want to take your tail and put it through the loops from the outside, like so. All the way. Get back in there. Okay, sorry about that. Go all the way around. Loops, like so. This should be the final one. And then we're going to cinch it. Be careful when you're cinching it and pulling on it because it can break quite easily. There we go. Close it all up now. Okay. So okay. Okay, we'll just tie a knot like so. And you don't really even see it. We're gonna push this in. The rest of it, you could cut it, but since I'm using it for stuffing anyways, just push it all in. There we go. Fluff it out to the way you like it. Get your ball shape going there. And there we go. That is how you do that. And let me me see, make it, there we go. Okay, I hope that helps. Okay, friends, there you have it. Taught you how to add the ball onto the Christmas tree. I hope that helps for those of you that were wanting to learn that. With that being said, I hope you guys all have a fantastic Christmas, happy holidays, spent with loved ones, and I truly appreciate you guys watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.